Today in this video, I would like to share how to fix the fan speak slow. So this is my fan that currently the speed is very slow, and even though I put already maximum speed level, here is the fan speed control, and here is for the switch, the fan switch. Alright, this is on and off, and this is the maximum speed. Right, if I put it down to the minimum, so this is the minimum speed, and really slow, and I'm going to put back to the maximum speed. Alright, now already set to the maximum speed. So maybe you use different types of the speed controller, and I'm using this normal speed controller. But no matter which type of the speed controller you use, the important is your fan speed should be low level and medium level and maximum high speed level. So what we can do is we just have to change the capacitor. First, I need to turn off first. For safety, we need to turn off. This is the light button, and this is for the fan button. So the light just on, and the fan switch, make sure you turn off. Alright, so I'm going to change the capacitor, and make sure your fan is already stopped. Alright. So this is the capacitor. We need to check which value we are using here. Alright, so this is the original 1.8 UF. So I'm going to replace this one to the higher capacitor. So the original use is 1.8 here, and I'm going to replace to 2.0, 2.0. So there is no positive and negative in the capacitor. You just remove and replace this. So you can just use a little bit higher UF, higher value, then it should be fine. So there is no positive and negative. So either you can use from this side or you can use for this side. You just replace it and we see. Alright, so I will turn off my camera first. I will replace this capacitor. Alright, so now I already replaced 1.8 to 2.0 microfarad, and I cover back, and let me try to turn on the fans. Before that, I need to clean it up. It's very dusty, and here it's very dirty. I need to clean it up first, then I will turn on the power. So let me clean it up first. So now I already clean up the fan. Let me turn on the switch. So I'm going to turn on the switch here, and here is the minimum. And how is that different? Let me see. So now is the minimum level and much more faster than before I change. And if I put to the maximum here, alright, so I already set to the maximum, and here the speed is much more faster. We can see the fan speed. Yes, now very fast. So in case if your fan is very slow, you can just change to the capacitor to the higher value. Alright, so I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.